India remembers its four bravehearts who were martyred during an operation in Jammu and Kashmir Kupwara district yesterday. A wreath-laying ceremony was held for BSF Jawan Sudip Kumar in Srinagar. Sudip was martyred along with 3 army soldiers while trying to foil an infiltration build near the LOC on Saturday night. The incident happened after BSF patrol noticed suspicious movement near anti-infiltration obstacle system 3.5 kilometers away from the LOC. Captain Ashutosh Kumar was amongst the bravehearts that were killed in the action. The 24-year-old was a part of Madras Regiment. 3 terrorists were also killed in this operation. This is one of the biggest encounters in the Union Territory since April. India is remembering the 4 bravehearts who were martyred during this particular operation in the valley. The wreath-laying ceremony was held for BSF Jawan Sudip Kumar in Srinagar. Sudip was martyred along with 3 soldiers while trying to foil an infiltration bid near the line of actual control. Ashraf Ani is now joining us. Ashraf, there were 3 terrorists also who were killed in this particular operation. This is, of course, one of the biggest operations in the Union Territory since April. If you could walk our viewers through what happened, and also not to forget that the nation is mourning the martyrdom of the bravehearts as well.
Absolutely, Cheti. Basically, this was one of the major operations on the line of control in the recent times. We have seen this started day before yesterday in the night when a group of infiltrators tried to infiltrate into the Jammu and Kashmir. They managed to infiltrate, in fact, and there was a massive gunfight between the security forces and the infiltrators yesterday. In this day-long gunfight, 4 soldiers got martyred, including a young officer of Indian Army, 2 soldiers, and a BSF Jawan too. The BSF Jawan Sudip Sarkar, his body was brought to Srinagar BSF headquarters, and tributes were paid not only by the BSF officers, the Inspector General of BSF here in the Kashmir, but even by the civil and the police officers too. In the same scenario, the 3 martyrs of the army are also reaching the army headquarters here in Srinagar, and they will be also paid tributes by the army commanders here in Srinagar. The big loss for the army and the security forces in the Kashmir in this particular operation, but so far the army and the security forces have made it clear that they are on the high alert all along the line of control in the Jammu and Kashmir, and also they are expecting these kind of infiltration attempts in the coming days on the line of control. That is why the highest vigil has been kept along LOC, and whatever the sacrifices Indian security forces need to give for the country, but they will ensure that no infiltration from the Pakistan took place into the Jammu and Kashmir and the country.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.